Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process on how to recover your Line app account. Whether you recently changed phones or simply got logged out, getting your account back is easy. Let's get right into it first. Open the Line app on your device and tap on Login. From here, your next steps depend on your current situation. If you still have your old phone nearby and logged in, the fastest method is to select Login with QR code. Simply scan the code, and your account will be transferred and recovered instantly. However, if you no longer have access to your old device, do not worry. Just tap on Login with another method at the bottom of your screen. You will then see 3 login choices: continue with phone number, continue with Google, or continue with Apple. Choose the exact method you originally used to set up your Line account. Enter your login details and complete the short verification process. Once you are verified, you will be successfully signed back into your account, and your contacts will be right there waiting for you. It is that straightforward. If this guide helped you out today, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and professional tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.